sweet peas. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today we're heading back to my kitchen for another science experiment. We are going to learn about sound using a very own homemade rainbow xylophone. Follow me and I'll show you how. For this project, you are going to need rainbow watercolors. You can use a xylophone striker, like the one I have here, or a spoon, and some jars. Now, how many colors are there in the rainbow? Let's count. So first let's sing our rainbow song, and then we can count how many colors are in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Those are the colors of the rainbow. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 colors in the rainbow. So, how many jars do you think we will need? You are right. We are going to need 6 jars. Now, you can arrange your jars in a pattern like I did. If you don't have all the same size, that is okay. They can be different sizes, and you can explore how that changes the sound of your xylophone. So, we can start with this one and add a little bit of water in the color red. So, it also might be helpful if you have a pitcher. Okay, sweet peas, now it is time to pour in our water. We are going to start by pouring a little bit in the first jar. Then a little more in our second jar. Even more in our third. So you see, each time I add a little bit more water than I did before. And when I get to the last jar, it will be filled all the way to the top. Now we will add our color. What's the first color of the rainbow? That's right, red. I'm going to add a little red. 3, 4, 5 drops of red. A couple more. You can mix it together if you like. Next, we'll add orange. Red, orange. After orange comes, you guessed it, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Green. Green. After green comes blue. Blue. And last but not least, purple. Now we can easily see how much water is in each of the jars. And it looks like a xylophone. If you've ever played a xylophone before, shrug your shoulders. Now, to play a xylophone, you usually use a striker, and that looks something like this. If you don't have one of these at home, it's like a drumstick with a rubber ball on the end. If you do not have one of these at home, you can use any kind of spoon. You can try out different tools to use as a striker. You can try using a metal spoon or a wooden spoon. I wonder how that will affect the sound, if the sound will be different or the same. What do you think? So now I'm going to start playing my xylophone and let's see what happens. Do these two sound the same or different? I noticed that this one sounds much different than this one. And I wonder why. It has something to do with how much water you add in each of the cups. So if the less water, the more high-pitched the sound will be. The more water, the deeper or more low-pitched the sound will be. Boom, boom, boom. So I wonder what happens. What do you think would happen to the sound if I filled this one all the way to the top? You're right, it would get lower. Ding, ding, ding. Dum, dum, dum. See if you can mimic the sound with your mouth. Ding, ding, ding. Dum, dum, dum. Now you can play around with these. You can have fun mixing the colors if you like. And see what happens if you add more or less water and make some beautiful music. I hope you enjoy. Sweet peas is a special